The industry is really reliant on titanium dioxide right now for opacity. And this nowadays comes, of course, with many environmental concerns and regulatory pressure. Specifically, now that it has already been banned in food use in Europe, pharmaceutical companies will also have this pressure to change and find alternative solutions. And that's what pulled us into trying and solve this challenge.
The solution we have been developing here in BioDiffuse is a light scattering technology. Basically, we developed a biopolymer that, when formulated, can organize itself in specific structures that interact with the visible light and scatter it across the whole visible spectrum. This will create the whiteness and opacity we need without relying on the mineral pigments.
The idea and the inspiration really came from nature. There are some beetles that grow in Southeast Asia, and they are so white, in fact, that they are whiter than paper and most artificial materials. So for this reason, scientists have been studying it as a source of inspiration to develop whitening materials. And so were we.
The innovation here is the technology itself. So while minerals such as titanium dioxide, calcium carbonate relies on the refractive index, in our case, we have a technology that is based on the biopolymer-based microstructures that, when interacting with the light, will scatter it in different directions. With this, we can provide the necessary optical properties staying within the safety regulations.
Everyone will benefit from BioDiffuse because we have the pharmaceutical companies that will need a safer and future-proof solution, and then we also have the patients that will be able to have their products with the same appearance, and this is extremely important for adherence and also safety. We're currently in the proof of concept stage, but we have a strong lab validation that our solution has good optical performance, processability, and scalability potential.
The TechniMed Open Innovation Competition is focused on real pharmaceutical challenges, and for this reason we thought that it would be the perfect platform to validate our solution.
We are a young but experienced team. We've been working on BioDiffuse for several years now and we've studied it thoroughly. The truth is that the pharma industry doesn't have an alternative for titanium dioxide until BioDiffuse shows up.